Last summer, I went on a memorable trip to my village with my family. My village is a peaceful place surrounded by green fields, tall trees, and fresh air. After living in the busy city for many months, visiting the village felt relaxing and joyful. When we arrived, my grandparents warmly welcomed us. The simple life of the village made me feel happy. Early in the morning, I heard birds singing and saw farmers working in the fields. The beauty of nature was everywhere. I enjoyed walking near the river, watching the sunset, and spending time with my cousins. During the trip, I also learned many things about village life. The villagers were kind, hardworking, and helpful. They lived a simple life, but always stayed happy and united. I helped my grandfather feed the animals and visited the farms where crops were growing beautifully. At night, we all sat together under the open sky. The cool breeze and shining stars made the evenings unforgettable. My grandmother told us interesting stories about old village traditions and family memories. The village trip gave me peace, happiness, and many beautiful memories. It taught me the importance of nature, family, and simple living. I will always remember this wonderful journey and hope to visit my village again soon. The next morning, I woke up very early and went for a walk with my grandfather. The air was fresh and the golden sunlight was spreading across the fields. We saw farmers plowing their land and children going to school with smiles on their faces. My grandfather explained how people in the village work hard every day to grow crops and take care of animals. Later, my cousins and I went to the nearby river. We played games, splashed water on each other, and laughed loudly. After some time, we sat under a big tree and shared fresh mangoes picked from the orchard. It was one of the happiest moments of my trip. In the evening, a small cultural festival was taking place in the village. People gathered together to enjoy traditional music and dances. Everyone wore colorful clothes, and the atmosphere was full of joy. I enjoyed the local food prepared by the villagers, especially the delicious homemade bread and curry. One day, heavy rain started. Suddenly, the rain made the fields look greener and more beautiful. Children happily played in the rain while elders enjoyed hot tea together. I sat near the window, listening to the sound of raindrops and feeling peaceful inside. As the days passed, I became more attached to the village. I realized that true happiness does not always come from modern life or expensive things. Sometimes simple moments with family, nature, and kind people bring the greatest joy. Finally, the day came to return to the city. Everyone in the village came to say goodbye. My grandparents hugged me warmly and asked me to visit again soon. While leaving, I looked back at the green fields and quiet roads with tears in my eyes. My village trip became one of the most beautiful experiences of my life, and its memories will stay in my heart forever. After returning to the city, I could not forget the peaceful days I spent in the village. The noise of traffic and busy streets felt very different from the calm environment of my village. Every night, I remembered the green fields, the cool breeze, and the happy moments with my grandparents and cousins. A few weeks later, my grandfather called me and said that the village school needed some books for the children. His words touched my heart. I decided to collect books, notebooks, and pencils from my friends and neighbors. Everyone happily helped me because they also wanted to support the village children. During the winter holidays, I visited the village again with many boxes of school supplies. The children became very excited when they saw the gifts. Their smiles made me feel truly happy. I spent time teaching them simple English and telling them motivational stories about hard work and education. One evening, the village head invited everyone to a community gathering. In front of all the villagers, my grandfather proudly spoke about how young people should help others and never forget their roots. His words inspired me deeply. The next day, I walked alone near the river at sunset. I realized that the village had changed me. Before this trip, I mostly cared about my own life and studies, but now I understood the importance of kindness, family values, and helping the community.